Hey friends, if you encounter the ERR connection timed out error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Right click on the active network connection and scroll down to properties and click on it. Double click on Internet Protocol version 4. If it's selected at obtain a DNS server automatically, go to use the following DNS server address. Type the preferred one as 8.8.8.8 and the alternative one as 8.8.4.4 and click on OK and then on OK once again. Okay, so this is how you can set the preferred DNS address. And then after this, if this doesn't help, then search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Chrome and click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select settings, and then you can go to the reset settings page, go to restore settings to the original default and select reset settings. If this doesn't help, then right click on the start button and select settings, go to network and internet on the list on the left hand side, select advanced network settings in the right pane, click on network reset and then click on reset now and finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.